Namaste. My name is Namrata. I'm speaking from Vinyasa Yogashala, Rishikesh Yoga Training School. I wish to mention that this entire experience at Vinyasa has been great, very humbling. There was a reason why I came here, and I think I have absolutely found what I wanted to achieve. I would like to really convey my gratitude and my thanks to Vinyasa Yogashala Training School for the hospitality they extend, for the kind of training they provide. All teachers are highly qualified, and the way they impart their training is impeccable. Great learnings. I have no words to express how much I'm carrying from here. The teachers particularly are extremely supportive, very knowledgeable, very helpful. All through the training, we were getting assistance from time to time in the class, outside the class. All in all, it has been a fantastic journey. I really have no words to express how humbled and how thankful I am that I got this opportunity to spend 1 month over here. When I came here, I was not really knowing what I was getting into. But after having completed my course, there is so much, in my kitty. It's not just yoga, there's meditation, there is pranayama, there are theory classes like philosophy, anatomy. All these subjects are delved so deeply that, I really feel adequate enough to start my own, yoga teaching, business. So I think that's a big takeaway from me from here. My deep thanks to Ashish ji, to Tanu ji for their time-to-time support, for making the classes very enjoyable, and at the same time, lots of learning. I'm proud to showcase my certificate of completion. I completed 200 hours of teachers training course from Vinyasa Yogashala. I think this is the best feather in my cap. I will cherish this certificate all my life. It means a lot to me. Thank you, Ashish ji. Thank you, Tanu ji, for having us here, for really helping us transform ourselves. I have all good things to talk about this school. Thanks to the staff once again for their time-to-time support and care that they have taken. All in all, it has been a fantastic experience. I wish Vinyasa Yogashala all the very best, and I definitely look forward to coming here back with my family or maybe with my friends. Thank you and namaste.